Pension videos, the most popular ones I've posted. These are they in reverse order. Wealth management bank stock buys. These were the stock buys from the banks like Goldman Sachs Wealth Management, UBS Wealth Management, and so on. That was the 5th most popular video in the last 28 days. I'll show you in a second where to get these. Why your pension is underperforming came in 4th. The video on your investment persona came in 3rd. That's the one where I explained to people that there are 4 types of personas when it comes to investing, all the way from the buy, hold and forget type who'll hold things for say 12 months, can sit by, all the way to the nervous, worried person who wants shorter term, quicker hits and has the time, energy and inclination to keep watching it. And we work out, well, what should each one of those personas be doing? Number 2, why pension returns are so poor. Very similar to number 1, which came in with just 100,000 views. Okay, St. James's Place proves how poor it is. That was by far the most popular video. If you want to see these, go to my YouTube channel or my TikTok. It'll be easier on my YouTube channel, alpeshpatel.com/links. Will show you where the YouTube channel is, or just Google Alpesh Patel YouTube. Do like and follow and subscribe and all those things for more. But I'll continue doing these because there is a demand for it. People want to know these things. They want to know why their pension underperforms, why the funds that their IFA puts them in underperforms. I had an irate IFA earlier saying, you don't know what we do. I'm afraid I do know what you do, and I know how poorly you do it. And it's not just because of my professional qualifications that I know what IFAs do and how poorly they do it. It's because I know a whole bunch of them. And it's really difficult having conversations with them because it's hard to reduce that number of IQ points in order to talk to them. So I apologize to the IFAs who I've annoyed, but yeah, sorry. In a way, it's not your fault. Probably nature, might be a bit of nurture thrown in there. But yeah, I'll continue doing these videos for as long as people want them. And I know they want them because if they didn't, then that wouldn't have become an international bestseller for me. Okay? I know they want them because I've had 25 years of evidence of it. That wouldn't have become an international bestseller had they not wanted the video. So this will continue. Sorry if I sound a bit direct and a bit rude to IFAs and not empathetic and understanding enough to their plight. But quite frankly, I'm on the side of the pensioner. I'm on the side of the person in their 40s, 50s, 60s, maybe even in their 20s and 30s who wants to start earlier and has worked hard for their income and wants it to be working harder for them in their old age, not for paying the school fees of the IFA's kids, I'm afraid. Okay, so as that mission continues from those books and my Bloomberg TV shows and my Financial Times columns, I want you, the private investor, to be educated and informed so that you can interrogate your IFA and get a better return on your pensions. Okay, thank you very much.